Today, I woke up and chose violence. That's right, I'm coming for all the Memecoin moon boys and their so-called supercycle. I'm here to argue that it's going to fail, and I've got some very specific reasons as to why. But before we get to those, we gotta discuss what this supercycle even means. You see, this theory was popularized by Murad Mammadov, and it suggests that meme coins are going to rocket for a long time and leave all other crypto sectors in the dust. Why? Well, it's because meme coins have some really unique characteristics, like they can go viral, they have cult-like followings, and they can easily resonate with the mainstream public. So, unlike other crypto projects which rely on utility or technology, meme coins rely on hype, vibes, and cultural relevance to send them to the moon. So yeah, I mean, that whole theory does make some sense. But unlike Murad, I see some very strong forces that will prevent this supercycle from ever happening. My first big reason is the fact that the meme coin market is way too crowded these days. Back in the day, it actually took some effort to create a new coin. But now, platforms like Pump.fun have made launching your own meme coin stupidly easy. Like, it literally only takes one click. Also, since meme coins aren't really being targeted by regulators such as the SEC, there's been an insane flood of new tokens hitting the market. Check this out, from April to August, over 500 new meme coins were listed on CoinMarketCap. That's more than 100 new meme coins per month. But that's just the listed ones. Platforms like Pump.fun have launched over 1.7 million meme coins to date, and most of them have come within this past year. So with that many meme coins out there, people's attention and capital are getting spread way too thin, making it impossible for most meme coins to gain enough traction to sustain a supercycle. Just take this recent TikTok meta as an example. We saw a massive wave of new meme coins inspired by TikTok trends, and these coins would pump hard based on hype alone, only to crash just as quickly when the next trend took over. So to me, this TikTok meta represents what the broader meme coin space has become. And I think I can sum it up with a simple math equation. Limited attention plus too many projects out there equals no long-term communities forming and hence no supercycle. But it's not only attention that's the bottleneck here, it's also the limited amount of capital. Like, we can't expect for all the capital in the world to be available for meme coins to capture, right? I mean, BlackRock sure as hell won't buy any. So it's a very specific and limited pool of capital that could potentially flow into meme coins. If you want to get a sense for just how limited that pool of capital is, just take a look at the numbers. A crazy 89% of meme coins have a market cap between $0 and $1,000, and 43% of them have zero trading volume. So there's clearly not enough money to support the entire sector, and yet we still have thousands of new ones hitting the market every day. That's why I strongly believe that Murad's price targets are never going to happen. Because even though he's talking about larger, more established meme coins, it doesn't matter, because this dilution is still pulling capital away from his projects. That's why I'm so confident that he's wrong that I'm willing to bet all my Bitcoin on it. Okay, but here's the thing. This oversaturation problem is just the beginning. And in my opinion, there's a deeper issue here that will prevent meme coins from having the supercycle. But before we get to that, I want to quickly share with you 3 reasons why you should try out 3Comma's trading bots, who's also the sponsor of this video. First is their DCA bot, which is super flexible and great for any market. It can automatically buy and take profit in bull markets or sell and buy lower during bear markets. There's even a marketplace with preset strategies. So if you don't want to customize the whole thing yourself, you can just copy one with a few clicks. Anyhow, second is their grid bot, which is perfect for volatile or sideways markets. It places buy and sell orders within a price range, repeating the buy low, sell high strategy. It's way more efficient than doing it manually, and it performs great during choppy periods. Now, third is their signal bot. This one works in any market, using your technical analysis and chart indicators to automate trades. It's fully integrated with TradingView, so you can set it up to follow your own strategy or an expert's. But if any of these sound interesting to you, then just check out my link below. Right now, they're having a limited time Black Friday sale, so if you hurry up, you can get their plans for cheaper than ever before. Alright, back to the Memecoin Supercycle, and the next big reason why it'll fail can be summed up with 2 words: market manipulation. I'm talking pump and dumps, insider trading, and coordinated shilling. So much of that is happening in the meme coin space, it's genuinely disgusting. And honestly, I don't even know how some of these influencers and KOLs aren't behind bars yet for what they're doing. For example, Jack Doherty, a famous streamer, announced his meme coin and pumped it like crazy on his live stream. But then soon after, he dumped it all and deleted all his tweets like nothing happened. That's just one recent example that came to mind, but there are so many influencers out there that are doing this that I've honestly lost track. But here's the thing, that's just the people that are doing it out in the open. There's also the meme coin cabal, if you've ever heard of that, which is basically like the Illuminati of the crypto world. These insiders work behind the scenes to pump prices and make their meme coins look legit. But eventually, when it goes high enough, they pull the rug and leave everyone else holding the bag. So every time one of these rug pulls happen, more people get burned and more of them walk away from meme coins for good. The truth is, more and more people are catching on to the fact that the meme coin game is rigged. And when they do, they're taking their money elsewhere. I think Arthur 0x from Defiance Capital put it best when he wrote, quote, "I don't see how the meme coin fervor can go on at this pace of extraction. Eventually, you run out of fish, just like what happened with online poker decades ago." I fully agree with him, and that's why I'm convinced that this Memecoin Supercycle is going to fail, because it'll run out of liquidity. Anyways, so far we've talked about oversaturation and market manipulation, but there's another huge factor that'll prevent this supercycle from happening, and that's regulations. You see, the past few years have been rough for legitimate crypto projects in the US, with people like Gary Gensler calling everything a security while largely giving meme coins a pass. But times have changed. With Gensler leaving soon and a new crypto-friendly administration coming in, the regulatory winds are shifting. But what does this mean for meme coins? Well, it's actually bearish for them, because a friendlier regulatory environment actually means that we could see a resurgence of things like ICOs, airdrops, and staking, all of which would pull attention and money away from meme coins. And if legit projects are able to do things like token buybacks and fee sharing, then they'll have a massive edge over the purely hype-driven meme coins, in my opinion. Like, I sure as hell would rather hold Uniswap tokens if they gave me a cut of their fee revenue, rather than some random meme coin that may go to zero. But anyways, beyond that, let's not forget the shady side of meme coins. Like, it's only a matter of time before regulators start to crack down on the bad actors in the space. We've already seen this with Pump.Fun. They had to disable their live stream feature because of the illegal shit that people were doing to pump their tokens. So my point is, as more people get burned, the call for regulators to step in will only get louder. And even with a crypto-friendly administration, I got a feeling that they're not going to be too happy about the shenanigans going on in meme coin land. But anyways, if you want a sneak peek at what might happen to meme coins, just take a look at what happened to NFTs. We saw massive hype, a flood of new projects, and wild FOMO. But then came the inevitable crash. The market got way too saturated and the novelty wore off, so prices tanked. And even now, with the broader crypto market doing quite well, NFTs still haven't recovered, and they may never. So the same thing could easily happen to meme coins in the future. I mean, sure, a few blue chip memes like Doge or Sheeb will likely survive, but the other 99%? Well, all that capital will eventually flow back to Bitcoin and other legitimate altcoins like Ethereum or Solana. Now, does that mean that you can't make a quick buck flipping the latest dog coin? Of course not. There's always going to be opportunities to make money off of hype. But the truth is that most people who try to ride this wave long term are just going to end up as exit liquidity for the insiders. Alright, enough about meme coins. I just want to say that if you are a serious crypto investor who cares about research and analysis, and if you're looking for a community of like-minded people, then you gotta join our retail DAO. I'm a contributor to the DAO, and right now we are doing our first airdrop to give people enough retail tokens to join our Discord. If you want to find out more about that, then just read my link below.